tappable video ads, 69.6%. They are mostly viewed. And we also have, yes, the audience. Majority are female viewers. And the viewers from different countries, we have 75.5% from the Philippines, 4.4% from the US, the others from Kuwait and Canada. Okay, same as the gender. It was viewed a while ago already. And now we have 2001 subscribers. So it's almost 1 year and we have reached 2001 subscribers. That is seen through our YouTube studio. There it goes, the 2001 subscribers. As of this week, these are the 3 top videos. So, from the 2001 subscribers, we also have the following videos that are mostly viewed. Here are the estimated revenues for the mostly viewed videos. And the top countries by CPM, we have United States and Philippines. Here are the top videos. Top 3, top 2, and the top 1 on how to plant calamansi seeds, which has 87,000 views. Congratulations! For almost 1 year, we have this estimated revenue, which is $99.23 with 2001 subscribers. So I would like to say thank you so much for the support. Thank you, and God bless us all.